Going back to the database module, we can then proceed to use the environment variables. First, we have to await for the environment variables to be loaded before being able to use them. We can achieve that by using the for_root async method. And then I will cut this. And then we have to use here a factory. That will return the configurations object. Now I will delete these to use just the URL. And to use the environment variable, I will write process.env. And then the name of the variable, which I will copy from here. As the environment variables are external to the code base, we don't have code completion or type safety, but we'll see a way to improve this in the next lesson. Now, going into the Docker Compose file, here we have to use the environment variables in this fashion. And in the port, I'll have to use here double quotes for this to continue working. And finally, for the data source, I will go back here in the database module just to copy this URL. And then in the data source, I will paste it here. But simply doing this will not be enough in this case, because this data source is outside the context of Nest. So I will need to use the packages .env and .envexpand directly. So first, I will have to import them manually. As they are subdependencies, I do not benefit from code completion when importing them. Then I can use them with this line. With this, we have access to environment variables here. And to check that this is working, we can try to run the application again. My application was initialized successfully. I hope that yours was too. So I'll then just commit the changes. And notice that the .env file is not here, as it should not be. Using environment variables. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to have a bit more of type safety when using environment variables. So, see you there.